Imagine this, you are sitting at home, feeling pretty good about life, when suddenly your phone rings. It is your best friend and they are in tears. Their spouse just passed away unexpectedly, leaving them with a mountain of debt and two kids to support. Now, here is the kicker. They thought they were covered because of some half-backed advice about insurance. Gut wrenching, isn't it? But what if I told you that this nightmare scenario is more common than you think, and it is all because of myths and misconceptions about term insurance? Myths that could be leaving you and your loved ones financially exposed right now. I am Jiten Modi, and after 2 decades in the financial trenches, I have seen it all, the good, the bad, and the downright ugly when it comes to insurance planning. Today, we are going to bust wide open the biggest myths around term insurance that are probably keeping you up at night, even if you don't know it yet. Let us start with the granddaddy of all insurance myths. Term insurance is a waste if you don't die. I hear this all the time, and quite frankly, it makes me want to bang my head against the wall. Here is the truth bomb. Term insurance isn't a lottery ticket. It is a safety net. It is like a helmet when you are riding a bike. Do you consider your helmet a waste if you don't crash? Of course not. It is there to protect you if the worst happens. But here is where it gets interesting. With our financial fortress formula, we flip this myth on its head. We combine your term insurance with a systematic investment plan. So even if you don't make a claim, which, let us be honest, is the best case scenario, your money is still working for you, growing into a nice little nest egg. It is like having your cake and eating it too. Now, let us tackle another whopper. I am young and healthy. I don't need insurance yet. Oh boy, if I had a rupee for every time I heard this one, I would be writing this from my private island. Here is the cold hard truth. Life doesn't care about your plans. It doesn't wait for you to get older or less healthy. In fact, the best time to get insured is when you are young and healthy. Why? Because you will lock in lower premium for life. With our FFF approach, you only pay premiums for 7 to 12 years. After that, your investments take over. Imagine that. Lifelong coverage without lifelong payments. It is like planting a money tree that keeps you protected forever. Speaking of protection, let us burst another myth wide open. My employer's insurance is enough. If you believe this, I have got a bridge to sell you. Look, employer insurance is great while you are employed. But what happens when you switch jobs or decide to start your own business? Oof, there goes your coverage. With personal term insurance, especially through our FFF, you are covered no matter where life takes you. It's like having a financial bodyguard that follows you everywhere. Now, I know what some of you are thinking, but Jiten, term insurance is expensive. Let me stop you right there. If you think term insurance is expensive, wait till you see the cost of not having it. For less than the cost of your monthly Netflix subscription, you could secure your family's financial future. And with our FFF, your premiums eventually pay for themselves through your investments. It is like buying a safety net that turns into a trampoline. Here is another gem. I need coverage until I am 99 years old. Unless you are planning on having dependents in your 90s, hey, no judgment here. You probably don't need coverage that long. The goal is to be financially independent by retirement. Our FFF is designed to build wealth alongside protection. So by the time you are sipping coconut water on a beach, your investments have you covered. Now, let us address the elephant in the room, the fear that claims won't be paid out. I get it. We have all heard horror stories, but here is the reality check. Most reputable insurers have claim settlement ratios over 98%. That means if you are honest in your application, and please always be honest, your claim is more likely to be paid then you are to win with a scratch card. Last but not least, the myth that term insurance is only for breadwinners. In today's world, every contribution to the family matters, whether it is financial or not. Losing any family member can derail your finances, and term insurance is there to cushion that blow. Now, let me introduce you to Priya. Priya was just like you, skeptical about insurance and believing in some of these myths. But after we sat down and crunched the number, she saw the light. She got a rupees 1 crore term plan for just rupees 650 a month, combined with an SIP through the FFF. She has not just protected, she is building wealth. When she switched jobs, got married, had kids, her plans adopted with her. Now Priya sleeps easy, knowing her financial fortress is unshakable. Here is the ₹1,000,000 question. Can you afford to believe these myths any longer? Every day you delay getting proper coverage is a day you are gambling with your family's future. The cost isn't just financial. It is the sleepless nights, the what ifs, the potential for leaving your loved ones in a lurch. So here is what I want you to do right now. First, take a hard look at your current financial protection. Are you really covered or just feeling covered? Second, think about your loved ones. If something happened to you tomorrow, would they be financially okay? Third, consider your needs might change in the future. Kids, house, business, life has a way of expanding. But most importantly, do not do it alone. Click the link in the description and book a one-on-one clarity session with me. Together, we'll cut through the myths, crunch your numbers, and build a financial fortress that grows with you and protects what matters most. Remember, term insurance is not about you. It is about the people you love and the legacy you will leave. It is about making sure that even if life throws its worst at you, your family can still thrive. I am Jiten Modi and I am here to help you turn insurance from a necessary evil into a powerful tool for financial freedom. Do not let another day go by believing in myths that could cost you everything. Book that clarity session now and let us build your unshakable financial future together. Your family's security is waiting. Are you ready to claim it?